a little later model, traded in at Unique, especially in classics. 2003 Chevrolet S10, regular cab, rear-wheel drive, LS trim level. It's a 2.2 liter underneath the hood, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Clean Carfax, 2 owner, confirmed miles at just a little over 78,000. Now you do have a few little spots where you have a couple little rock chips up on the hood, FYI. The truck has been driven. If you want to take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the factory alloy wheels, radial tires. Interior gray cloth, bucket seats, center console, shifter on the column, AM/FM cassette. Rugged bed liner has been installed. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And once again, those still pictures, so you can see the underside. Engine bay, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Go ahead and take a look down the driver's side. We'll take a little closer peek at the interior. Start it up, let's hear it run. Look under the hood. All right, door panels. You can see manual windows. Seat condition. Doesn't really look stained. No rips, tears, really much wear at all. But again, a little over 78,000 is all. And clean Carfax, 2 owner vehicle, cruise control, tilt column. Take a look at your headliner. Again, AM/FM, CD player, power steering, power brakes, AC. Alright, so there's your exact miles, 78,323. All the gauges work, no warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just that telling me to put on my seat belt since I'm in here without the belt on. Top of the dash, also nice shape. Alright, slip around to the back. Here it run, we'll check out that engine bay. Sounds as you'd expect. It's not like anything stock or aftermarket has been done to this. Sounding pretty stock. All right, let me pause this a second. We'll get this hood open. Check out the engine bay. All right, check out the hood liner. Again, 2.2 liter. Power steering, power brakes. So it's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay, again, what you'd expect on a 2-owner truck with low miles. 2003 Chevrolet S10 LS trim level, regular cab, rear-wheel drive. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we are driving a 2003 Chevrolet S10. Taking her out on a little ride. Check out the radio. The radio does work. The heat works. I've got that on. Blower fan works. fuel gauge. Volts are positive. Oil pressure is good. Temperature is good. All the gauges are working. Brakes feel good. Washer works. Oh yeah, it's putting out heat now. Easy to drive, good commuter, could be a fun truck.